Hello everybody. Now we have a test of the high heat transfer tuber, and this is a hot water. We can put this tuber in it. You can see the temperature. Now it is 28. It is environment temperature, and the sensor is on the top of this tuber. After 10 to 15 seconds, you can see the temperature rising. Now it is rising now. You can have a check. This is our new product, high heater transfer tuber. We can have a touch of this tuber, and the surface turned to be very hot now. After 1 minute, around the temperature rising to 14 centigrade. Okay, now it is 14.6 centigrade. The temperature is rising still. Okay.